Okay, what's today? Today is Sunday. Let me see what's today. Sunday 1/11, and it's Sunday, April 18th. So, let's take a look at what we have on my Cash App. There it is. Okay, so today is April 18th at 1/11. Look at that. Heard that's like an angelic numbers. Okay, take a look at this. My total investment is $6,525.71. But I am on negative. I am at loss at $436. And on Friday, as you can see, it was down 72% and I lost $44.85. So let me show you guys my portfolio. As of right, let's do the total investment value. This is my portfolio. My goal was to have 1,000 Tesla, 1,000 Apple, and 1,000 Amazon, and 1,000 Neo, and 1,000 ARK. But and I have the rest of my portfolio include Xpeng, Marathon, Riot, Blockchain, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic was at one point my biggest shares, but they've been having some troubles for the past couple of months, and I sold before I could even lose any shares. Okay, and then I have Sorrento Therapeutics, C3.ai, Inovio Pharmaceutical, Netflix, Lordstown Motors, and Churchill Capital. As you can see, guys, I'm all into the EV market right now. So I want to grow these last three here. So let me show you where my loss is at. So if you go down to my total return, only one that's making money as of right now is the Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. And everything else is down. And you will see how much down it is. So I'm really surprised at Riot Blockchain and Marathon Group, because I mean, when it goes down 10% a day, 5% a day. So right now, let's take a look at it. The details is actually 22% down. That's crazy, right? And let's take a look at Riot Blockchain. That's at 22% down. Wow. Let's take a look at Marathon once more. Marathon is at 25% down. Almost 26. So as you can see, that's almost like one that's like, wow, that's 1/4 of my total investment. So I'm hoping that it will go back up as Bitcoin goes up, but we'll see, because right now Bitcoin is at, I don't have any Bitcoin on my Cash App, but it's actually low. It's at 55. So 55,000. Yeah, so that's I'm at negative 436, but I'm gonna hold on. I am planning to buy a couple of properties, some lot, and I'm thinking about cashing in my Apple and Amazon. So we're gonna see, because I might need some of those cash. Yeah, and I'm really surprised that Virgin Galactic also is down at $23. I wish I had more money to put in it, so I might just sell some as soon as some of these stocks goes positive. I will sell some. The main one that I do want to hold is Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Neo, Virgin Galactic, and ARK Solutions. But here you will see that ARK, Neo, and Xpeng are like really, really down. I mean, I'm really shocked at what happened to Neo. In 1 month, they went down 18%. So, and I'm at 15.94% down, so almost 16%. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys this. So I do want to try to update and let you guys know what's happening every Friday. All right, if you like this video, please hit that like button, and thank you for watching.